Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, clicking on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, February 23rd, 5:06 p.m. New York time. This will be a recap of the futures market since half the week's already over and there's supposedly a lot of worldwide activity going on. Let's see if it's showing in the markets. We're going to look at the monthly time frame. Why? Because we're very close to the end of the month. Looking at the 30-year bonds, it's trending down, red. US dollar index, inside candle, it's in consolidation. It's in a congestion. S&P 500, red, lower high. Crude oil, it's trending up. Gold, also trending up. Cryptocurrency, it's in a consolidation, congestion. The prior trend has been down. The euro, it's in consolidation. The yen, it's in consolidation. And the pound in consolidation. Okay, now let's go to the faster time frame, which is lower than the monthly. It's the weekly, which we are, like I said, we are now midweek. We just finished halfway of the week. 30-year bonds. Look at that. Made a higher high, higher low than the prior week. Well, if interest rates are supposed to go higher, then this should be going down. So something squirrely here. Yeah. These two kind of candles down here, long tails, like bullish pin bars. Yep, very suspicious. What that might mean is if they don't raise interest rates, well then this would not go with the same consideration as yields. So yields, interest rates, if they go higher, this should go lower. But if they don't raise interest rates, well, this won't be going lower. So again, maybe the people talking heads are wrong. Listen to what the Federal Reserve says, not the media. The dollar, inside candle for the week. S&P 500 weekly, yeah, lower low, lower high. It's trending down. Crude oil, look at that. It's in a consolidation. Interesting. We didn't take out the high or the low of last week yet, and all this hysterical in the media. How come oil didn't take out the high yet? The low, yeah. Well, it's in a congestion, consolidation. Maybe it's getting a rest before it breaks out to the upside. The market rests sometimes, like here, it was resting, and then it continued trending. Gold trending up strong, almost at the high of last year. Yeah, all this price activity, we still have not taken out the high of last year yet. Bitcoin trending down. Euro, that consolidation. Inside candle for the week. Japanese yen, that's trending. It's trending up. Okay. Look, the euro, which is again part of the EU, It didn't take out the higher low of last week. Isn't that suspicious? All this activity going on in Eastern Europe, and this has not taken it out. The Japanese yen went higher against the US dollar. British pound also next to the euro, EU, and it's also inside, has to take out the higher low. All right, that's suspicious. Again, maybe somebody's having more news and that's really the price action market not showing. That's just very suspicious. So again, charts don't lie. People might misread them. Again, the chart's not done yet for the week, but we'll know soon. Okay, let's look at the daily. Because like I said, it's 5:10 already, and the futures market closed at 5 and we reopened at 6. 30-year bond for the day, it closed red, lower low, lower high. Yep. US dollar, inside candle. Massive consolidation too. And the S&P 500 sold off. Crude oil, look at that, we closed inside the prior candle. Smaller trading range too. And gold also finished inside candle. So it's a consolidation up here. Bitcoin inside candle. Again, these are all daily candles. So really we had small trading range on a lot of these products. The euro inside candle. Yen inside candle. Pound, well, made a lower low. So on the daily candles, yeah, not the stock market, that was a big trading range, but across the board, several of these other financial instruments, inside candles, indecision. Interesting. Let's go down to the next time frame. We'll go to intraday. We'll go to the 1 hour. To 1 hour. You see the past 5 days. Here we go. The start of Sunday night was here. Look at the bonds from Sunday night. We sold off Sunday night and then come into Monday here at a higher high. And then following Monday evening, broke up, went higher, right to that midpoint. And we sold off. And now we're even lower. Look at that midpoint. That was labeled off the 4 hour point. Huge impulse move down. Red candle, labeled the midpoint. Potential retest was a trade entry. And look at that, that occurred. So if you did take that trade Monday evening, good job if you took that trade bearish. Looking at the US dollar now. The US dollar. Oops. There we go from Sunday. Huge sell-off on Sunday evening and total reverse on Monday. Went up, continued Monday higher. Went to that big round number, 96.25. Yep, that's a significant number. And we sold off as expected right there at the quarters. So now we have massive demands on buyers over here, consolidation, and bringing it back up. And again, the S&P 500, massive sell-off today, massive. So looking here from Sunday night, we're much higher, massive sell-off Sunday night into the Monday open, Tuesday night, Tuesday morning. And then we're here Tuesday night. And look at today, all sell off on the S&P 500. Crude oil. Intraday, several trade opportunities. Yep, look at that. Since Sunday, it went higher. That was a high of Tuesday night. Look at today, such a tight consolidation. Let's look at that 4 hour and that midpoint 4 hour. Monday broke right above it. Very nice. Again, trade opportunities. And gold. Here was Sunday night. A lot of whipsaw Sunday night. Total reverse, went higher. And now we're still back inside the range. We're below the high and above the low of the week for gold. Where we have cryptocurrency for the week. Still in the range above the low, below the high, but huge sell-off today. Yeah, so gold is outperforming this. And the euro. Yep, a lot of whipsaw on the euro, on the hourly, the Japanese yen. A lot of correlation with gold. So clear trend since Sunday night. And then Tuesday night sold off. Wow, massive consolidation since yesterday, primary trading hours to now. And the British pound. That was Sunday night, right here, higher. So now, look at that. We're near the low of the week, double bottom. Actually, need a lower though. Yep. There we go. So we'll finish this on the 15-minute time frames and just see what's showing here on the extended hours. And my data is going slow. Okay, I'll end it here.